Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create dual apps on your Samsung phone. Now, first on your Samsung phone, let's open up the Google Play Store and just make sure you've already downloaded and installed that app. You'll be able to see the apps on your phone. You need to have already installed it. After you've done that, let's swipe up from here and just tap on the settings or gear icon. And now all we need to do to be able to duplicate any of those apps is to scroll down and you're looking for advanced features. Within advanced features, let's scroll down again until we get to dual messenger. Sign in to your second account on your favorite social apps. Now you won't necessarily see every app that is on your Android phone here, and if you don't see it on there, make sure you've installed it. But you can see available apps on here. I can toggle them on Messenger and hit install. And I can do this for other apps as well. For instance, Facebook. I can toggle that on and hit install. And now you can see dual messenger apps. These two are turned on. I'll show you how to find those and how to log into those two accounts separately. So let's hop out of here and swipe up. Now you'll be able to see if I swipe over, there is Facebook, but there is the copy of Facebook. It has that little dual icon at the bottom right of it. So if I tap on Facebook, you can see I'm logged into my normal account. Let's just hit continue, and I can log into my normal account. However, if I hop out of here and I tap on the dual Facebook, you can see on this case, I can just sign into a separate account so I can have multiple different accounts on multiple different apps. Again, if you don't see that option in your settings to create a dual messenger or a dual app, unfortunately, it's not available for every single app. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions.